Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your America First Credit Union Bank with Splitwise. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and fund your Splitwise transactions with America First Credit Union. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, first log on to Splitwise. Next, click on Account on the bottom right-hand corner. Then from here, click on Add a funding source. Next, click on Bank Account. Then on this page here, go ahead and click on Continue. Next, click on Continue again. And then from here, find America First Credit Union. Now on this page here, it's going to prompt you to log into America First Credit Union so that you can select which accounts you want to be connected to Splitwise. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your America First Credit Union Bank with Splitwise. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.